Hi, I'm Anastasia Eden. I have been making vegan recipes for 27 years now. I am a retreat chef here in the UK, and I've also published recipe books and written online vegan cooking courses. I also specialize in gluten-free food too. Super healthy, gluten-free, delicious, and I love to share here on YouTube, on video and on my website. So if you feel inspired by what you see, please do go check those other things out. But today, in this recipe video, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy green bean and tofu curry. Let's go see exactly how easy it is to make. Okay, so what we've got for this recipe is 250 grams of green beans. I think they're also called French beans. And I got these from my local organic farmer's market, and I topped and tailed them. So I chopped off both ends and then cut them into nice little pieces, about 2 to 3 centimeters long. And then I've got one potato that I cut into small pieces, and that is probably about 300 grams, or one large baking potato size. It doesn't really matter what type of potato you use whatever you have available. And then I've got tofu, so a nice firm tofu, and that is about 300 grams. It doesn't matter if you use a little bit more or a little bit less, you know, depending on what packet size you've got. Just use whatever you have available, and these are interchangeable. You can add other little things in as well. So the first thing I want to do is pop these potatoes in a pan, and then I want these to cook a little bit ahead of the other things. I'm going to put about 150 milliliters of water in there. It's just kind of half covering. I'm going to put them on the stove, let them come to the boil and cook them for about 5 minutes. And then when they've cooked, I'm going to pop in the green beans and then let them cook for another few minutes. And then I'm going to pop in the tofu and the curry powder and a bit of sea salt and some coconut milk. So this is full fat coconut milk, about 50% fat. That works to make it nice and creamy. Because you've chopped them quite small, they're going to cook quite quickly. If you've chopped them bigger, just give it a little bit of extra cooking time. So by the time this is cooked, which doesn't take long, the potatoes are going to just gently start to fall apart. They're going to retain some of their wholeness. And then you can see when the potatoes start falling apart, they're easily pierced. That's when you know it's ready. And you'll notice that it's quite liquidy. So what I want to do is thicken that up. You can use any flour as a thickening agent. I've actually used organic maize meal for this. You can use tapioca flour, corn flour, wheat flour, spelt flour, gluten-free flour, even ground oats. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of water in that and give it a mix in. Very, very important to dissolve it and let it all mix into the cold water before adding it, because if you add this without dissolving it in the cold water, it's not going to act as a thickening agent. So dissolve it in a little bit of cold water. What you want to do is pour it in, and then you want to stir, and that's going to thicken the sauce for you. And if it's not quite thick enough, just double the amount. Just do another little bit of your maize flour, corn flour, tapioca flour. But that, see how just that 1 tablespoon or heaped tablespoon, just turn this into perfect sauce, and that is nice and ready. So there we go, an absolutely delicious, creamy tofu and green bean coconut curry. Look at that, absolutely delicious. And this will go alongside rice, dal, poppadoms, chapati, bread. You can have it with quinoa if you don't want rice, or millet. And I'm going to serve this along with a dal that I made in the other recipe. So if you like this, go check out the dal recipe. It is ridiculously easy to make that. And I'm going to serve it along with some nice brown basmati rice and a salad. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do appreciate you being here. If you want to give this a thumbs up or leave a comment, I'd love that. And please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Remember that also I have online vegan courses, Magical Life of Salads and Essential Vegan Meals and other things. And I have recipe books, so if you feel moved to, please do check those out. And I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.